Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to create a YouTube video ad. Video ads make an impact and they can engage your customers like never before. As long as you have a clear message to communicate, you can make powerful video ads. Perhaps you want to tell people about your business, launch a product, or let people know about an upcoming sale. Get your message out there with a compelling video ad created from a free template on Canva. So, how to make a video ad? First is open Canva. Now, I'm going to the web browser. And I'm already at canva.com. And just type YouTube video ads. Choose free video template that fits your need. For example, this one. Then add free footage, images, and graphics. You can use Canva's drag and drop tools to customize your template. You can change things like change your color, or transitions, or upload your images, footage, and other medias. You can change the photo if you'd like to. Then you can customize what you'd like to put. Add short, impactful text. And the key to successful video and ad is keeping the message short and clear. Try using no more than 3 to 5 words in plain languages. Enhance with animations, music, or stickers. Get your video ad ready to share by adding final touches like music from Canva's free media library. You can also polish the final video edit with animation or stickers. Double check, download, and share. Make sure the message is correct and there are no typos. You might want to show it to a few friends or colleagues to ensure it's easily understood. Once you're happy with that, final edit, download, and share your video ad on YouTube. And that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!